doing something a bit different today. Climbing the Malvern Hills. God, it's steep already and we've just started. Should be a 6-hour walk, 10 minutes in, and running is way more easier. But it's a beautiful day with a beautiful person. Say hi, Jen.
Hi, Jen. Which way are we going?
I don't know, you're the map, you've got the directions.
But we don't see anyone again.
This shows you our planning. But yeah, beautiful day. Lovely views hopefully at the top. Just climbed a very steep bit and now we've got some views. We're off track or off path, but we've decided we'll find our own route. What's an adventure without getting lost? Got plenty of snacks, plenty of food, plenty of layers. It is very windy, but I was Jen eating dairy last night. But yes, as you can tell, very windy, but we're at a viewing point. Jen is trying to spot our car, which I don't think will be very easy to do. Tracking up this narrow path, which makes it slightly easier because my cane only has a narrow bit to find. This is fun, isn't it, Jen? We just had a great laugh because we got caught in a bit of a wind tunnel. And yeah, we were blowing about. So this is a nice change of pace. But glorious views. We've just climbed this little peak. You can probably hear how windy it is. Jen is pretending to be a kite holding my cane whilst I film. Oh, Michael Jackson. Yeah, glorious, glorious views. Stop to read the map. Lots of beacons. So we've done our first 5k and we've stopped for snacks. Got a fancy Waitrose banana muffin. Our first bit downhill. We are en route, as Jen has just shouted. Slightly different terrain, similar views I'm assuming. And the sun's out. The wind has actually died down a little, which is lovely. And yeah, still enjoying a lovely walk. Not sure if it will show on camera. It's come down from up there. The steepest decline that we've done so far. Now we're heading up that way, I think. Off to the next checkpoint. I think we are now sort of on a turnaround bit. It's just a different terrain, more foresty. We're saying it reminds us of the old railway track. Much easier to glide my cane side to side on this flooring. Yeah. And it's nice to be sheltered from the wind, isn't it? Yeah. We've come to the quarry. We were at the top over there. We've slowly descended through the woods. very quiet other than us. And Jen being Jen. Just came up a very narrow and treacherous path. Couldn't film at the same time because it was a bit of a precipice. And it's yeah, it was fun. I nearly fell, but we survived.
No walking, please. Not
No
me
walking
off,
and
please.
filming. Can't multitask on these terrains.
You can't multitask anyway. Please.
Come on, you ready?
Please put the camera on.
Now we've got to traverse this very, very narrow path with a very steep drop at the other side. So I am gonna, I don't know, walk like a crab, grab onto the sides.
You're gonna concentrate.
Well, yes, I will be concentrating. Jen's made it, so we'll be fine. She'll grab me if I fall.